Tired of your awesome video being ruined by annoying wind noise? Let's dive into how to minimize wind sound using your Nikon D3500. Improving your video's audio quality first. Make sure your camera is in video mode. Now, hit the menu button on the back of your camera. This opens up all the camera settings. Navigate using the directional pad to find the movie shooting menu. Press OK to enter this menu. Scroll down until you see wind noise reduction selected, and press OK. You'll see two options, on and off. By default, it might be set to off. We want to change that. Select on and press OK. This activates the camera's built-in wind noise filter. Some models will also have an audio sensitivity setting within the same menu if available. Experiment with lowering the microphone sensitivity. Less sensitive means less wind pickup. Remember, activating wind noise reduction might slightly affect the overall sound quality, so test your audio in a quiet environment, and then test in a windy environment to compare your audio. For serious video projects, consider using an external microphone with a windscreen. They block wind noise and improve audio quality even more. That's it. Your videos should now have much clearer audio, despite the wind.